Hello and welcome to Kuki Decor. We are so glad to have you here. If you love timeless furniture, sustainable living, and beautiful home decor, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we are diving into the world of rustic and repurposed wood furniture and decor pieces, where natural charm meets eco-friendly design. In today's world of home decor and furniture design, more and more people are turning to rustic and repurposed wood furniture as a way to combine timeless beauty, functionality, and eco-conscious living. Rustic furniture has always been admired for its natural charm, warm textures, and inviting feel, while repurposed or reclaimed wood adds another layer of uniqueness, sustainability, and storytelling to every piece. In this video, presented by Kuki Decor, we'll take you on a journey through the world of rustic and repurposed wood furniture and decor, showing you how these elements can transform your living spaces into cozy, stylish, and environmentally friendly havens. Whether you are decorating a farmhouse-style living room, upgrading your dining area with rustic charm, or adding sustainable touches to a modern minimalist home, the appeal of rustic and repurposed wood is universal and endlessly inspiring. One of the greatest benefits of rustic furniture made from repurposed or reclaimed wood is the sustainability factor. By giving old wood a new life, we help reduce waste, preserve forests, and celebrate the natural imperfections that make each piece one of a kind. Every scratch, knot, or grain pattern tells a story, reminding us that furniture doesn't have to be brand new to be beautiful. In fact, rustic and reclaimed would often carry a sense of history and craftsmanship that modern mass-produced pieces simply cannot replicate. Imagine owning a rustic coffee table crafted from wood salvaged from an old barn, or a repurposed dining bench made from shipping pallets. These aren't just furniture items, they are pieces of art with soul and heritage. Rustic wood decor is all about blending functionality with beauty. From solid wood dining tables that become the heart of family gatherings, to reclaimed wooden shelves that offer both storage and rustic elegance, the possibilities are endless. Repurposed wood can be transformed into stylish wall panels, picture frames, headboards, or even rustic light fixtures, giving your home a warm and inviting feel. Rustic design celebrates the raw, natural state of wood, where knots, cracks, and rough edges are not flaws, but features that add personality and authenticity. For those who love farmhouse-inspired decor, rustic wood instantly provides that cozy lived-in atmosphere, while for modern homeowners, repurposed pieces can create a striking contrast that softens clean, minimal lines. If you're enjoying these rustic and repurposed wood furniture ideas, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home decor inspiration. We share daily videos about rustic furniture, sustainable design, and creative decorating ideas. If you're finding value in this video, give it a like and let us know in the comments which rustic piece inspires you the most. Back to our ideas. Repurposed wood isn't only beautiful and eco-friendly, it's also extremely practical. Old wood is often sturdier and more durable than newly manufactured alternatives, because it has already stood the test of time. Reclaimed beams, for instance, are usually dense and seasoned, making them ideal for structural furniture like tables, benches, and bed frames. When combined with modern finishes or metal accents, rustic and repurposed wood furniture can also achieve a striking industrial look, perfect for lofts or urban-inspired interiors. The combination of raw wood with sleek modern decor creates a balance between rugged charm and contemporary elegance. Rustic wood decor also plays a huge role in creating an atmosphere of comfort and authenticity in a home. Unlike mass-produced pieces, rustic and repurposed furniture carries imperfections that make it feel real, approachable, and lived in. This is why rustic decor is so often associated with warmth, coziness, and relaxation. It's the type of design that makes you want to stay home, curl up with a book, or gather around the dining table with loved ones. Repurposed wood furniture helps us reconnect with nature, reminding us of forests, cabins, and outdoor living. By incorporating these materials into your home, you create an environment that feels grounded and nurturing. If rustic and repurposed wood inspires you, don't forget to share this video with friends and family who love unique and eco-friendly home decor. And of course, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button for more daily design ideas right here on Kuki Decor. From a design perspective, rustic and repurposed wood pieces can act as focal points in your home. For example, a large reclaimed wood dining table immediately draws the eye and becomes the centerpiece of your dining area. A rustic wood bed frame can transform a simple bedroom into a retreat-like space. Even smaller decor accents, such as reclaimed wood mirrors, rustic picture frames, or handcrafted candle holders, can add layers of texture and character to your space. The beauty of rustic and repurposed wood lies in its ability to seamlessly blend with other materials, metal, glass, fabric, or stone, to create a balanced and harmonious design. Many people today are also drawn to rustic and repurposed wood furniture because it allows them to make a personal statement about sustainability. Choosing reclaimed and repurposed wood not only reduces your environmental footprint, but also reflects your values and lifestyle. It shows that you care about the planet, about craftsmanship, and about embracing imperfections. Each repurposed piece tells a story, whether it's wood salvaged from an old farmhouse, a dismantled factory, or shipping pallets turned into modern decor. These stories bring depth and meaning to your home, making it more than just stylish. It becomes a reflection of mindful living. If you're someone who enjoys DIY projects, repurposed wood offers endless possibilities. With some creativity, you can turn old wood into floating shelves, rustic coat racks, or even handmade wooden planters. The DIY aspect not only saves money, but also gives you the satisfaction of creating something unique for your home. Even if you're not a DIY enthusiast, many artisans and craftsmen specialize in repurposed wood furniture, offering bespoke pieces that can be tailored to your needs and style. Supporting these makers not only helps preserve craftsmanship, but also ensures that you own something truly one of a kind. Rustic and repurposed wood furniture and decor pieces bring together the best of both worlds, timeless rustic charm and sustainable living. They add warmth, character, and authenticity to your home while also reflecting an eco-conscious mindset. Whether you're drawn to the cozy farmhouse aesthetic, the sleek industrial vibe, or a mix of modern and rustic, incorporating reclaimed wood into your furniture and decor is always a smart and stylish choice. Rustic furniture never goes out of style, and when made from repurposed materials, it becomes even more meaningful, durable, and environmentally friendly. If this video inspired you to explore the world of rustic and repurposed wood decor, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor for more creative home design ideas, rustic furniture trends, and sustainable living inspiration. Together, let's celebrate the natural beauty of wood, honor craftsmanship, and create homes that are not only stylish, but also filled with purpose and heart. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.